Today tutorial is about how to convert PDF file into a AutoCAD drawing file. Here I need a PDF file. In this PDF file all the dimensions are in feet and inches. I need to set these dimensions in AutoCAD. I'm going to AutoCAD file. To set drawing units, UN enter. As per the PDF file we need to set the drawing units. In length type I'm going with engineering. Precision first value. Units to scale as inches. OK. Need to set dimension style manager. De-enter. Modify. Primary units. Need to set unit format and precision as represented in drawing units. Unit format as engineering. Precision value as first one. Need to change text and symbols height. In symbol and arrow the size I'm taking is 6 inch. Text height as 8 inch. OK. Click on set current. Close. Need to set page limits. Command LIM enter. Default lower left corner will be 0, 0 feet. I'm taking upper right corner as 100 feet, 100 feet. Enter. Z enter. A enter. Need to set page limits on screen. Now I need to import PDF file to AutoCAD file. In AutoCAD application, import PDF data. In command line, click on file option. Browse the required PDF file. I need this PDF file. Click on open. This is the PDF file I need to import to AutoCAD drawing file. Select this file. Set as the requirements required. Click on OK. Here the PDF file is being converting into AutoCAD drawing file. Here the PDF file has been imported into AutoCAD drawing file. Once need to check the dimensions to confirm whether the dimensions are in perfect. DLI enter for dimension linear. Okay, the dimensions are in as represented in PDF. This is the process how to convert a PDF file into AutoCAD drawing file.